Okay, so one of the things that you need to consider if you want to grow your YouTube channel is about background music.
Looking for a comprehensive e-learning authoring tool to save your time and effort? Active Presenter is here for you. Designing interactive course, quiz, game, tutorial, and video is fast and easy like a piece of cake. With the power of AI assistance, your e-learning creation process becomes smoother and smarter. Try Active Presenter for free at the link in the description box below.
Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. Today we show you how to get free no copyrighted background music for your video from YouTube Library and at other place Epidemic So there are two places here. The first place is YouTube Library. So if you are a new YouTuber, this is the best option for you. After 1 month or 2 months or stuff like that, you want to buy better music, have better songs, stuff like that, you can consider Epidemic Sound. It is good for you, because there are many beautiful songs here, and also there are many tools you can use to select the music, and also they will protect your channel, YouTube channel, TikTok channel, Facebook channel, stuff like that. Okay, so I will show you step by step. So let's go to the first place, which is YouTube Library. Okay, and if you want to, and if you have a copyright claim, stuff like that, you can check out this video. It will help you resolve the claim on YouTube. Okay, so first up, you have to have a YouTube channel, and I have a YouTube channel here, so we need to go to YouTube Studio. Okay, so YouTube Studio, and this is my example YouTube channel, and we can go to Audio Library. So it is right here on the left side, Audio Library. So the next thing to consider here is that it has two tabs. The first one is music, and the second one is sound effect. So you can download both music and sound effect here at YouTube Library, but you need to go back to the music if you want to find music for your video, and you don't want to copy and paste the attribution. You have to select here at the filter. Okay, so there are many genre, mood, and artist name and duration and stuff like that. But these are the most important thing. Attribution not required and attribution required. So if you select attribution required, you have to copy the attribution and paste it at the video description. But normally I will select this one, attribution not required, so that I can just use the music for my video without copying and pasting anything at my video description. Okay, so first up, we want to select this one. So this is the first filter, and the next one, you want to select a genre for your song, for your video. Okay, just click here again and select genre. And normally for talking head video, I will select hip hop and pop. So these are my favorite one, but you can select other music here, and then we can click apply. And now we can listen to it. If you want to listen to any song, you can hit this play button. Okay, and you see here there's a player here. So you see that this is the duration. It's about 2 minutes. You have the audio. You have the speaker here to mute the audio, and you have a download button here, or you can watch this audio on YouTube by clicking this button. And if you like this song and you want to use it in your next project, you can click here at the start button to add it to start. So I just click it on the flip, and it will be in my start folder. Okay, just select it. Okay, this is start folder, and I can download it again. Okay, by the way, we want to go back to the music, and this is the genre, and this is the mood, and this is artist name, and this is the duration, license type. So audio license type, with this license type, you can use it on YouTube and monetize it. Okay, so you can download it. Just click the download button. It will come to my computer. So if you want to find the same genre here, you have 3 dot button here. Okay, just click here, and it will just show you all the hip hop and rap. Okay, and for the mood, you can select the same. For example, if I like happy music, I can click this button, and now it become all happy here. And if you like any name here, for example, if I want, I can select Jeremy Black with this button. Okay, and now you have all the song from this guy. Jeremy Blake. And if you want to come back, or if you want to delete him, you can just delete the filter here. Okay, to come back to normal and delete the happy mode here. So this is how easily you can get no copyrighted music for your YouTube video in YouTube Library. Okay, so this is the audio library. And remember to go here to download your music. It is safe for your channel. But what if you have money and you want to buy a subscription, music subscription?
Because you have money. You have the right to buy a subscription at Epidemicsound. This is a great platform for you. You will get unlimited music downloads and platform protection. You also have 25,000 credit for voiceover like this.
Okay, let me show you on the website here. So it's called Music Partner. Why I say it's partner? Because I have a partnership with Epidemic Sound. So if you go to the link in the description and you purchase or you register for a subscription, I can get a small commission from the referral. Okay, so we can click here, find the perfect track. I just show you around the website, not just how to get the music here. Okay, so this is the homepage of Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound. I'm sorry, Epidemic Sounds. Okay, and this is Epidemic Sound homepage. And let me show you the price of the plan I purchased. Okay, go to here and see pricing. So currently I'm using creator plan. So I can use unlimited downloads, music and sound effect, and licensing for social podcasts and web. And I can monetize one channel per platform, meaning that I can monetize on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, and Instagram. And at this plan, we have instant voiceover. They offer credit for us to convert text to speech also. But I seldom use it because I already have my voiceover provider. Okay, and there are other plan here, pro plan and business plan and custom, business custom. By the way, if you want to find music here, you want to go to the music tab at the homepage, and then there are many categories here. So we want to find them. For example, I will go with relaxing, piano relaxing. Okay. And again, similar to YouTube audio library, we have to listen to the music. By the way, they have some filter here, mood and genre and duration, BPM and vocal key and instruments. And there are other options here. For example, you can search by newest and A to Z and low tempo, high tempo, stuff like that. So in my opinion, I think it is more flexible to find the music here. And other thing is the same. For example, if you listen to a song here and then you have a download button here, and you can copy the link and you can like it, and you can find the same section with the same beat and stuff like that. So for example, I can find similar. Just click here at this button and we can find similar song like this, and then we can download it or we can add it to a playlist, and we can even create a version. So I can create maybe 15-second or 60-second version of the song, so I can use for my video. So that's about my music subscription service. By the way, if you are just a beginner to YouTube, you don't have to purchase any subscription. You can just use the music in your audio library. It is good enough for you. Okay, by the way, if you want to try Epidemic Sound, just go ahead to the link in the description. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. If you're new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.